And then we go over to Chicago, where we've got our Fox Weather correspondent, Robert Ray. A historic weekend in Chicago. It's snowiest November day on record yesterday. 8.4 inches officially at the airport. Robert, you felt it, you see it. What's it like out there so far today?
Yes, good day to you, Jane, everybody from snowy Michigan Avenue with holiday shoppers. It just feels really in the bone cold. It feels like it's in the teens with the wind chill. You know, the prospect of more snow coming tomorrow has everybody in Chicago going, okay, maybe this is going to finally be a real winter, because the past 5 or so years, they've been pretty weak, I would say, in the Windy City. But look at all this video from across Chicago. Past 24 hours have just been real blustery. A lot of snow, as you said, over 8 inches at O'Hare International. And downtown on the lakefront, so we're pretty close to that. Some of the suburbs with a little bit more, and really a winter wonderland all day yesterday into last night and even this morning. And then the sun came out for just a hot second, and now it's gone away again. But certainly all of this snow has caused major travel disruptions across the upper Midwest. Some of the most intense at O'Hare International, with about 1,400 flights canceled yesterday. And when you think about that, to put that into perspective, that's more than half of the flights that come in and out of one of the busiest airports in the world to be canceled. So that has snarled flights around the world. And you hear the sirens in Chicago on Michigan Avenue. That's the big city for you, certainly. Midway Airport here also experiencing flight delays and cancellations. The roadways tough going, no doubt. In Iowa, Indiana, Illinois, we have seen a lot of wrecks. In fact, in the state of Iowa, I think our last count was over 150 crashes, and then a big crash, 45 car pileup in Indiana. And we know what happened in Des Moines at the airport last night as a Delta commuter flight slid off the runway. Thankfully, over 50 passengers that were on board, nobody injured. That's the best news. But so what are we expecting here in the next 24 hours? Well, we're not going to see snow tonight or even tomorrow morning, but tomorrow afternoon at some point, we're going to start to see that snow belt come back into Chicago. Predictions, yeah, I mean, we could get 3 to 5 inches. That is a possibility for sure. And then the temps will plummet as the week goes on. And yeah, like you mentioned, that's not the only system. There's another one that's about to pop into the Northeast. So a dynamic week ahead. We've already had a busy 24 plus hours here across the upper Midwest. And Fox Weather has been all over these communities that have been impacted, especially here in Chicago and Iowa, other locations. We may just move around a little bit later today. Maybe head back to that Christmas market and see what the vibe is, if it's as festive today as it was yesterday, as that snow was coming down and everybody all bundled up. It's winter. Gosh, Jane, we were just talking before. Do we really love it? I don't know.
Listen, for those at home, you have to understand, like, the layers, the mental gymnastics to stand out in this cold and this snow for the hours that we do. Robert, try to stay warm out there. I feel for you. Great reporting, as always, and it's very festive behind you. I feel like Mother Nature has given us this treat. The Christmas decorations are up, the lights are up, then you get this blanket of snow. I said it to you yesterday. It felt like you were in a Hallmark movie. That continues today.
Yeah. I know. That's the good part about it. At least there's joy in the air, even though you're absolutely freezing to the bone. Is what it is, right?
It is, and there's always the villain in the story, and that's usually the airports. So Fox Weather correspondent Robert Ray, thank you. We'll be checking back in with you throughout the afternoon.